An instance that may cause fire from the heat accumulated from the rolling, sliding, or friction in machinery or between two hard surfaces, at least one of which is usually a metal, is called A. Static electricity, B. Overheating of machine, C. Friction heat, D. Heat from arcing. Answer C. Friction heat. Method of heat transfer by direct contact: A. Nuclear fission, B. Conduction, C. Convection, D. Radiation. Answer B. Conduction. Assume that a dead body has been discovered on the street, and being the only police officer around, you have been called upon by a passerby to proceed to the scene. Upon arriving at the scene, several onlookers are gathered. As a rule, it is essential that a police officer should refrain from expressing his opinion as to the probable cause of death because A. His opinion may influence the investigator assigned to the case. B. No useful purpose will be served. C. The killer may overheed your conclusion. D. He does not know the cause of the death. Answer A. His opinion may influence the investigator assigned to the case. The first action taken by a traffic unit to escape from collision course or otherwise avoid a hazard: A. State of evasive action, B. Point of no escape, C. Point of possible perception, D. Final position. Answer A. State of evasive action. An informant who gives information to the police or investigator, and his purpose of informing the police is to eliminate rivals or competition. A. Rival eliminating informant, B. Self-aggrandizing informant, C. Mercenary informant, D. Anonymous informant. Answer A. Rival eliminating informant. A number representing the resistance of sliding of two surfaces in contact is known as A. Coefficient of friction, B. Traffic jam, C. Attribute, D. Contact damage. Answer A. Coefficient of friction. The primary job of an investigator is to determine whether a crime has been committed. In order to determine such, he must have knowledge of the so-called cardinal question of investigation, and there are cardinals of investigation: A. 6, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer A. 6. The correct choice of word, selecting the exact precise objective words to convey as meaning: A. Exclamation point, B. Punctuation, C. Vocabulary, D. Diction. Answer C. Vocabulary. Instrument used to open and close a fire hydrant: A. Hydrant key, B. Kilowatts, C. Keyboard, D. Bunch of key. Answer A. Hydrant key. The desire to give information as an excuse to talk to the police in order to get more information from them than he gives. A. Double-crosser informant. B. False informant. C. Self-aggrandizing informant. D. Mercenary informant. Answer A. Double-crosser informant.